Hi student, today I want to share with you about addition. Before we have ADU. ADU is accessory dwelling unit, and today we have addition. ADU is also have addition, but that addition have the separate entrance, and it's totally independent with existing house. Addition is different. Addition is the one you add from your existing house. For example, this is your existing house and you add more park, more square foot for your existing house, and you can access from the addition to the main house. But ADU, you do the different one. You do separately from the main house. So last time I shared with you about ADU. From today I share with you about addition. This is some example, so you can see that's the part you add on from the existing house. You want to enlarge from the living, bedroom, kitchen, laundry, pantry. If you want to enlarge some room on your house, or you add another room in your house, and you call that addition. And the addition you can access from the addition to the main house. This is one example, so you can see that you add your existing house right here. Now you add one more room or something, guest room or some living family more. So that's why you add this part. And this part you can go access to the main house, and you call that addition. Same thing with this one. So few things you need to know about addition. The first one, you should know that addition is the one you can increase the square feet from your house. You can increase from square feet after you have addition. The second one, how large from the area you need to add more addition. It depends on the lot size and your existing house. For example, you have very big lot size and you have the existing house very small, and you can have addition big. But if you have the lot size is so small, but your existing house is big already, so you don't have to ask more addition from that case. And if you want to know how big from the area you need to enlarge, and you need to go with the planning division, they can help you to look at your lot size and dimension. They figure out how much you can add it on for addition. So that's why you need to stop by to planning division, tell them your address, and ask them how much you can expand your house by addition. They will let you know at that time. Addition can be the first stories. That means it's on the same level with existing, or they can add on the second story. It depends on your design. You can add either in the first or the second floor. Location. Addition can be in front of the house. If your house have the big yard in front, you can add addition on there. It can be the rear yard. If you have the big area in the rear yard, it also has the left or the right side. It depends on your lot size and your existing house. Addition can be enlarged. That means the purpose from your addition is you can enlarge or expand living, dining, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, laundry, pantry, office, etc. So that's why that's the purpose. You can enlarge any room you like for addition. And the last one is must access to the main house. I think this one is very important, because if it's not access to the main house, it becomes to ADU. Okay, so if addition, then it can access from the existing house to addition parts. But if ADU, they have the separate entrance from the ADU. They cannot access from the main house to the ADU. So you remember that one. So after you know a few things about addition, now we can see something about addition before you submit for the city. For example, you look at the white part right here is the main house. That means existing house. And the applicant, they need to add addition right here. You see this part? That's addition. They want to add before the white area. So you can see like that. Basically, this owner They asked one ADU already in the back, in the rear from the house. That's in the ADU. So you start from the green light, this harsh area, the ADU. But now they ask more. You know, ADU, they have the entrance different with the existing house. They cannot go access to existing house with the ADU, but addition, you can go from here to there and from there to here. That means you can access from ADU to the main house. If you look at the right side, this is the side and the roof line, but this is the floor plan. You can see this park. You can see this park right here is the park they added on. Is this one. This park, when you zoom that and you draw for the floor plan, it look like this. And right now the owner plan to explain for the family room and the new bedroom and new bathroom. So basically the additional park right here, they can create 3 new family room, bedroom and bathroom. You can see that's with dimension right here and right there. So this is the floor plan. Before they have the wall right here. Now they open 10 feet 6 to open for can get direct to a family room. That's the floor plan. Now if you go this one, you can see before and after. This is before. You look at the existing right here is before. Everything they put E stand for existing. You can see that existing. But on the right side, you can see the park they access on. Like before, I show you on last page, you can see that. This is the park I added on. And whole of them right here is existing. And the park outside here, this is ADU. You can see that. This is ADU. Okay, and ADU had the entrance right here, separate with the existing house right here. Okay, so this one is addition, and they have family bedroom and bathroom. This is the foundation. From the new addition, you need to have the new foundation because everything is new. So the material and the wall, shear wall, and everything for footing, they have to do for the new. The trees look like the new. And on the right side, you see this is the roof one. They use the new roof right here, and they attach with existing roof. This is existing roof attached by California framing. They attach right here from another roof, another existing. And you can see right here they have the roof rafter, ceiling joint, and after that ridge board, everything on the framing. They need one licensed engineer to sign up and to research and to report and to write down to calculation, submit for the city. So that's why on of the structure right here, the people on licensed engineer for structure or civil, they can calculate for that one. And another thing is the electrical. You look at this is the park for addition. That's the new one, so that's why they need electrical. Electrical in the bedroom, electrical in living room, and electrical in the bathroom. They need to, on the bedroom, they need to show the window is egress window, minimum one of them, with the width a 20 inches and the height 24 inches for make sure one people can get out in case in some Thailand in some fire something, they can get out to the access window. And this is the lighting, so you see AFCI. If have bedroom living, you have AFCI, but if have the bathroom, you need GFCI, or the kitchen, you need GFCI. Okay, so you look at the circle right here, they did the light. They design for the lights in the living. After that, smoke detector, and they have another lights here. So that's why you can see a light like this with the switcher and the outlet, so you can see that. Okay, so beside of the floor plan, the roof plan, foundation, electrical plan, we have something more before you submit for the city. For example, you need elevations, you need the section from the addition, you need the detail from footing, from roof, from ceiling, from that's additional. And you also need Title 24 calculate for the light coming to the new addition, and also count for the insulation in the wall, heater, or some kind like ventilation around the new addition. You also need the general note because you need to put some kind of note for the projects for the people review. For that one, they easy follow your idea. Beside of that, we have order can be, you know, some paperwork. You can paste the city work in there or some requirement. So that's why basically all of them right here, plus the one I show you from the floor plan, side plan, roof plan, and foundation framing plan, that is on of the paper you need to ready before you submit for the city for approval or construction permit. Okay, I think that's all for today for the true line number 8. This is the long gun. Jocelyn, you didn't know how about long gun. This is the long gun. If you look at the big like this, you can eat very sweet inside with the white meat, and the seed is black, and it's so sweet, smell very good. So basically this year they have a lot of fruit long gun. A couple years ago I didn't harvest anything, but this year I have a lot. Yeah, so if the cupboard opens, I can give you some of them. You can try for, you know, the flavor from Vietnamese fruit. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time for true line number 9. I think I will focus more about foundation. If you have the house like this and the part, you know, under, before you put the wall and the roof or the ceiling or the window on, you need foundation. So that's why I'm thinking we can start with foundation, a little bit more detail, so you can see this is the foundation and this is the foundation right here. So you need to know something about that. I will maybe on July number 9 I will share with you about foundation. Okay, one more time, thank you so much and see you next time.